IBM's supercomputer has defeated world chess champion. Google's AI is defeating top Go players. Sony's AI has started to beat top video gamers. What all this news shows? It shows that machine has started to beat humans and they are getting smarter. All of this become possible thanks to an algorithm neural network. So let's have a curious talk on this algorithm. Neural network is an algorithm inspired by human brain. Human brain has billions of neurons. Those are connected with each other. In the same way, artificial neural network has artificial neurons. Those are also connected with each other. Now see this calculation. It is hard for human, but it is easy for machine. Now see this image. It is hard for machine to recognize, but it is very easy for human. So whatever is hard for machine is easy for human, and whatever is easy for human is hard for machine. Recognition is hard for machine, but not impossible, and neural network makes this recognition possible. So let's make a simple predicting machine. Human has a question, he thinks on it and gives the answer. In the same way, machine has input, it do calculation on that and gives output. Now take this example, 3 into 4. If we give this to the machine as an input, it does some process on that and gives the output. Similar kind of stuff we want to create. So let's start with a very basic example. Let's create a function which takes input as a kilometer and gives output as a mile. Can we derive this function from the data? Let's try it. So this is the data. 0 kilometer is equal to 0 mile, 100 kilometer is equal to 62.13 mile. For 17 kilometer, how much mile? We don't know. We need to create formula from this data. So let's imagine mile is equal to kilometer into 0.5. So if there is 100 kilometer, then it gives 50 miles. But from the data we know that correct answer is 62.13 mile. So error is equal to truth minus calculated. That means 62.13 minus 50 is equal to 12.13. This is a huge error. Let's try to minimize it. Let's change that parameter from 0.5 to 0.6. Now answer is equal to 60. So our error becomes 2.13. It's still big, so let's try to tune it further. We can make it 0.7. Now mile is equal to 70. So our error is 62.13 minus 70 is equal to minus 7.8. It's very big, so we can't go in this direction. Let's tune it in reverse direction. We can make it 0.61. Now mile becomes 61 and error becomes 62.13 minus 61 is equal to 1.13. This is much closer, so we can go with this approximation. So this becomes our formula. And if we have any unknown data, then we can also fit into this formula. So 70 kilometer is equal to now 42.7 miles. Now our unknown is found from this formula. So what this exercise shown to us? So generally if we have input and formula, then we can derive the output. But if we have input and we have output, then from the data we can also derive the formula. For this process, first of all we need to analyze the data. Then choose the appropriate algorithm. Then initialize parameter randomly. And because of that we will get wrong output. From the wrong output we need to calculate the error and tune this parameter. This process needs to be repeated until we get the right prediction. And this process is also known as training. So this was a very simple explanation of the process about how machine learns. But in actual it is very complicated than this. So we will learn this process step by step in further videos. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.